A man in Parana, Brazil is attempting to kill an infestation of roaches by igniting the colony. After several attempts of igniting a match, a large portion of the soil is uprooted as if a grenade went off underground. Take a look. Number 10. Rainbow Circle. An office worker in Bahia, Brazil captures a rare occurrence, a complete circular rainbow. What's your thoughts on this one? Number 9. Bird Bonanza. An intersection in Mesquite, Texas is inexplicably the aerial highway of hundreds of birds. Number 8. Spider infestation. In an unknown location, a group of people have come across a massive infestation of spiders in a small building. How would you react in this situation? Number 7. Don't Mind Me. A Jefferson Township resident in New Jersey records a bear ambulating across the neighborhood in a bizarre manner on its two legs despite walking on all fours seeming much easier. What do you think it is? Number 6. Follow the leader. In Australia, a person records caterpillars exhibiting abnormal behaviour, walking in a neat line one behind the other. The camera person originally thought it was shredded snakeskin, but upon closer inspection realised it was a train of inland bag moth caterpillars. How crazy is that? Number 5. Dust storm. Dashcam footage shows a driver passing through a massive dust storm in Big Spring, Texas. Would you have the guts to carry on driving? Number 4. Lightning. A cameraman captures the moment where a lightning strike hit too close for comfort. Number 3. Whale smiles. A whale watcher of 15 years captured a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. A whale surfacing and opening its mouth to the fullest extent. Number 2. Leap of faith. An Australian man records the moment a koala takes a leap of faith but doesn't quite stick the landing. Luckily, the koala was okay. Number 1. Sea Saluk Pit. A scuba diver off the coast of Kutu, Thailand, captures footage of bizarre anemone species burrowing itself, bearing a similar resemblance to the alien creature in Star Wars, the Scarlock Pit. Let us know your thoughts on all of the 11 videos featured today. And as always, sleep tight, and I'll see you in the next video.